Netgear has shown off their next generation Nighthawk M5 5G mobile hotspot, but you can't get it yet. Hi, I'm Chris with the Mobile Internet Resource Center, here to share with you some news from the Consumer Electronics Show going on this week in Las Vegas. And at the show, Netgear has been showing off their next generation Nighthawk M5 mobile hotspot. And this will be their new 5G flagship mobile hotspot, likely coming to AT&T, just like the past Netgear Nighthawk mobile hotspot has been AT&T's flagship. This will be AT&T's 5G flagship. Wow, great. This is the hotspot we've all been waiting for. This has been out since 2017. Maybe it's time to get something new and exciting. But, well, though Netgear was showing it off and revealing some of the features, all they had to say around price and availability was nothing is coming until the second half of 2020, and the final tech details and pricing will not be revealed until then. But here is what we do know, and this is what makes it exciting. This is going to be the first hotspot that is announced that is based on the Qualcomm Snapdragon X55 chipset. This is the second generation 5G chipset that actually will enable 5G devices to talk to the super fast short-range millimeter wave spectrum that AT&T is calling 5G+, as well as to the longer range sub-6 gigahertz spectrum that is going to roll out and eventually replace 4G and go to all the places 4G currently is. So that's 5G over the broad area. The Nighthawk M5 will support both of these bands, and it will support dynamic spectrum sharing, so that it will be able to take advantage of 5G layered on top of 4G spectrum. So these are all key features for AT&T's 5G rollout, and there's been no 5G devices yet that can take advantage of this. So if you're thinking about a 5G hotspot on AT&T, is at last a worthwhile option. Now, the other really cool new feature coming in the Nighthawk M5 is the first hotspot that is announced that has Wi-Fi 6 technology in it. Otherwise known as 802.11ax is the technical term. This is the next generation of the Wi-Fi standard, which allows for better utilization of the Wi-Fi airwaves when the Wi-Fi networks are congested, so potentially up to 4x the practical real-world speed for your local Wi-Fi network as Wi-Fi 5 or 802.11ac. So this is the first mobile hotspot with the next generation Qualcomm chipset in it. It's the first mobile hotspot with Wi-Fi 6 support. Very likely coming to AT&T second half of 2020. So keep this in your upgrade plans in mind, but you can't get it yet. We don't even know how much it's going to cost, and you'll probably have to wait until the middle of the year to get any of those further details.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.